It's the morning and we got a little cars and coffee type of thing. It's supposed to be like all Germans, so I guess BMW and Mercedes and Audis. Huh? Yeah, I don't have a hood no more.
Did you just put it on just for the show?
Yeah, take it off and on. How you been? When are you going to Philippines?
2 weeks.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Being wrapped, or this color really shows all the imperfections of the paint job.
Oh, like all the little
chips
things?
and all my door dings and stuff. Like shows it all.
Like all the paint underneath?
Huh?
Like all the stuff underneath? Like,
well, all the little rock chips I had before and all the things.
Nah, I haven't seen anything yet. I mean, okay, maybe that.
You see that? That's about it. I just gotta do the roof next.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, it looks really good. All these are tucked nicely too. Yeah, I don't really see it. I mean, you probably see it because you work on it, but I don't see none. Unless you're talking about those. Oh my God! How are you, man?
How are you doing?
I didn't think you were here. Where's your car?
Sure.
Oh, the white one, right? Oh shit, dude.
Just blending in, bro.
Yeah, I know. All of them look the same at this point, bro. Oh, this is Nick's, right?
No, this is
no?
my boy Sam's.
Sam,
and
RP.
E36 M3. The
oh, okay.
Mix, yeah.
Oh, Sam, right? Okay, he DM'd me real quick. I think. Sick.
Heck yeah, bro. I saw you pull up. I was just on.
Oh, the headlights. There you go. Oh yeah.
Yeah. See,
Sick.
this is what I was waiting for.
Yeah, it looks nice. I like it all blacked out. Not gonna lie.
It does look really good.
The blacked out.
And the halos are like switchback halos.
Do they are they just white? Oh shit.
So they're yellow when they're like turn signal. And then like they turn. Like,
that is sick.
white.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, he did it pretty quick too, didn't he?
Like not even like a week.
A week? Yeah, that's pretty quick. Jonathan's doing his work over there, bro. So this is that's Nick right there and Johnny. This is his car. Yeah, you guys actually probably, if you guys know him or him, you know that car. But if you know Nick, you actually probably know a 328, right? I feel like a lot of people know you from a 328.
From that E90,
yeah. But it's cool. When'd you get this one though?
135 content, bro. A couple months. It's been
a couple months.
Now,
You just haven't been posting.
Yeah, bro. I've been lacking, but I've been. I got a business, so I stay busy, bro. Working.
Makes
you know
sense,
what I'm saying? It's hard to find time for everything, but I try to like keep up with like Instagram content, stuff like that. Yeah.
Are you BMP or
BMA?
BMA. Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where he works, right?
He works.
Oh, that's your place?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Okay, yeah.
He
I came by a couple times already.
Sam does as well, right?
Oh, okay, cool.
The one with the E90. I don't know where he went, but somewhere around here.
Yeah, sick. Okay.
But yeah, basically, bro. So.
Yeah, I always go to get their stuff from you. Like my steering wheel's from you guys now.
Yeah, I think
good stuff from there. Yeah. If you have any E90 things, just send them over, man.
For sure. I might get back into one, bro. I was looking at getting actually E90 M3. I've been looking around for a little bit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I might get some. Like,
they're going up, dude. They're going up in price.
Get like a...
Guys, I don't know, man. This hood, I really like this hood. This LCI hood on the N55s. Like, I know like everybody gets like M3 hoods and stuff like that, but this hood, like, I think is really good. Like, I don't know, something about the lines in the middle. I don't know what it is. I think I did hear that these LCIs actually have less of a curve on the, or like the rears. You can't put as much meat in the back. But oh, dude, I actually really like his setup here. The heck? Oh yeah, this is really nice. That's what mine probably will look like when I get my wheels in. Dang, mine looks so puny. Now his look good too. Look at that. You guys see that? Yeah, it looks really good. Try it out. People are over there looking at my car, of course. And then you think these are big? Look at Jello's over here, bro. Jello's cars are. Look at his tires, bro. It's just gigantic, bro. Jeez, over here. I love how much rake you have on it.
I'm actually getting rid of the 305.
Yeah.
It's just.
Is it 305/40 or 305/50?
305/45.
45. So we've had this car actually on the channel briefly. He actually raced Clarence when Clarence was on the 85/76, and it looks really sleeper, except for the fact that it's M4, but it looks really stock because if you look, it's like, you know, all black. Basically everything is stock. Wheels, I think even the wheels are stock. I'm not sure. Or no, I think these are Apexes. No, those are Apex wheels, but you can see the tires. from close, of course, you can see the Mickeys, and then everything else is stock. Even the back. Look at all that. But that shit is fast. Like, bro, that shit's like 8. It's nice. I really like it. If I had an M4, that'd be my M4. I haven't even gone over there yet, bro.
Bro, let's go there, bro.
See Gabblebees? Let me see that shit.
Bro, this is just a tryout. I'll make it better.
Looks good. I like the neck thing. See a bunch of Germans, like I said before. I mean, there's some Mustangs over there, but.
Damn, it looks bad right now because there's.
Ta-da!
Just kidding, that's not my car right there.
Oh, right here, my bad. Yeah, yep, there you go.
Hey, but you see the snowflakes?
Damn. Why are you doing this?
Bro, I did it during Christmas.
Really?
So whoever painted this car, he did it for free, so it's a shitty job. So if I peel off a sticker, it pulls off the paint too.
No.
I promise, bro. Look at this. There's a sticker right here. I started peeling
No.
Chip the freaking paint off. So I just left them as is. Whenever they fall down, because you know a snowflake's supposed to fall down. It's not supposed to, you know.
This is not.
That's what. Probably the wheels are more expensive than the car.
Yeah. Yeah. I haven't seen it in forever. Honestly, I really haven't.
Whole job.
This is a wrap? You know this is a wrap?
Is it wrap?
I think it is.
Yeah, it's factory call.
No, I think it's wrap.
It's wrap?
Pretty sure. I mean, it looks like a really good wrap.
This color coming from stock on the M6.
Ooh, wait, shit, dude. Actually, it might be paint. I don't know.
Because you know.
So good thing, guys, is it's like a 1M. Pretty cool. Those are pretty rare. This is a built motor, Pro Charge, and his name's Lavish. He's on YouTube as well. Seen him a couple times. Pretty cool car. He said it's a built motor capable of 1,000 wheel, basically, but I'm guessing he's not that much yet if he's saying that. But it's capable, which is crazy. I love this beadlock setup over here too. Like if I need beadlocks, I'm gonna get something like this, something fancy like that. That looks nice. I like the purple. It wraps with everything. It's really good. 305s in the back. I don't think I can do 305s, but yeah. I just need enough to hook. I don't need enough to look good. And that's a wrap. You guys saw a bunch of cool people. Dylan, Joe is over there. What's his name? Jonathan left. Sam left. Lavish is over there. Oh, that's cool. Fun to meet. Ooh.